Got something to take care of that's long overdue. Have to move all this out of my way. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. How's everybody been? Okay, sounds good. This is like an update. Got the pots out here, put the annuals in them. Never mind this Christmas mat. But I feel like everything has a purpose. Don't be so quick to throw stuff out. Anyway, pots look good, don't they? And this is why we're here. Look at this pile. Horrible. Terrible. Capital T. It's been back here for almost a year. Dug it up, came from the front yard. Has to go. I want to redo the concrete back here. Cracks and all, but I can't with all these weeds. I don't know how long it's going to take me. Got my lawn bags. Getting it up. Got my wheelbarrow. I'm taking it down the alley. Got the shovels. Moving right along. Maybe another hour and a half or so. I just hate doing it. Sun's out. It's hot. Oh boy. You know what I've learned when it comes to something like this? Just get it out the way early on. Because when you have to come back, you're just doing double work. All right, got some weeds here. You know I don't like that. But it's clearing up, coming up nicely. Little ways to go. I'm getting there. What do we have here? It looks so much different, so much better. But look at the concrete. Paint is coming up. I can fix this, make it look like something, and make it usable, you know? All right, I'll be back. We'll figure this out. Coming right back. So it's the next day. Concrete is dry. This is the result so far. Oh yeah, looks good. So let's get up, assess the damage, see what to do moving forward. Got some cracks. Nice day. Cloudy, still nice. Hot though. All right, plenty of cracks, chipped paint. Got a mess. That's all. It's a mess. It's a mess, but I'm confident that I can make it look a whole lot better. Get it done all over here. We'll see. Works blower to the rescue. Again, you got to get all this stuff up. If you're putting concrete down, has to be clean. Surface has to be clean. Or get it as clean as you can. Do the best you can. Or it won't bond well. Saw evidence of that in the front yard. That concrete step. Oh yeah. And in most cases, you can't just always run to the store, rent equipment, or buying the most expensive equipment. Have to use what you got. Don't get me wrong, besides the leak, as you can see, I mean, this is good if you're trying to clean your siding, your car, something like that. But when we're talking about putting down concrete and you need that surface absolutely clean, no grease, paint, stuff like that, I don't think this is powerful enough. That's all I'm saying. It'll do for now. But if I could do it all over again, I just would have got something else much more heavy duty. You see, it's getting the paint, but something else with a higher PSI would have probably ripped all this stuff up, and it would have been a lot easier for me. See, even the siding here, it's okay. I need a lot more power for what I'm trying to do. I'm grateful, though. For all the kiddos watching, I'll just call this a garden tool. I shouldn't have to use this to scrape up the paint, but I have to. The pressure washer just didn't do what I would have liked it to do. We'll see. Looks like it's gonna rain. That's okay. I was doing double duty, so to speak, tending to the mulch bed and the concrete slab. Brought some more plants. Hope they bring some type of excitement to the bed. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.